Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to see the new chapter in geography, the third chapter, that is motions of the earth. We all know what is motion. Motion means movement of the earth. They are dividing the movements in two, that is rotation and the revolution. Rotation means spinning of the earth on its axis, whereas it is also called as axial movement. Earth take 1 day for one rotation. 1 day equal to one rotation, and it causes day and night. Whereas revolution means spinning of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit, right? In a fixed orbit, the earth rotates the sun. So it is also called as orbital movement. Where the orbital movement is also called as the orbital plane. Earth takes 365 days for one revolution, right? 365 days is equal to one revolution. Now we can see what is axis and what is orbital plane. For an example, see children, on seeing this cardboard, what you all will say? What is the shape of this cardboard? We all will say it is in a circle shape or it is in a round shape. While I am turning the cardboard horizontally, you all can see a fine line, right? Now you all can see a fine line. This is called as an orbital plane, where the earth rotates the sun in a fixed pathway is called orbit, where while seeing that horizontally, we can say it is as an orbital plane. See here children, here axis is an imaginary line. We can calculate the degree of the orbital plane by two methods, by horizontally as well as vertically. See here now, by horizontally we can calculate that from the axis to the orbital plane, the degree is 66.5 degree, and by vertically it is in 23.5 degree, right? As earth rotates in an anti-clockwise direction, so the degree is 66.5 degree horizontally and 23.5 degree vertically. This is about the orbital plane as well as the axis. How do we feel a day and night? Because you can see earth is in a sphere shape. We all know it is in a sphere shape. So earth receives light and heat from the sun. From the source of the sun, we receive heat and light. So when there is a daytime at one half of the earth, that will not receive the light, it is called night, the day and night. It is caused by the rotation. When one part receives the sunlight, it is called daytime. When there is no sunlight, it is called night. Just imagine children, if the rotation of the earth, it stopped for 1 second, what will happen? Just imagine if the rotation of the earth or the revolution of the earth has stopped for 1 second, what will happen? The earth, which part of the earth is receiving sun, will receive the sun for whole day and for a while. Then the temperature of the place will increase and there won't be any, the water bodies will get drained, and the people, they can't survive. The life of the people or the living organism is impossible. As such, on the next half, if the one part of the earth is full of dark, there will be a freezing chillness. The climate condition will be so cold and chill. Then imagine on that area also the people, they can't survive. What is a seasonal change? What is revolution? And detailed study of revolution we will see in the next class. Thank you and have a great day children.